Spawning root shells. As stated in the introduction to this course, our ultimate goal is to spawn a root shell. While the end result is the same, executing /bin/sh or /bin/bash, there are multiple ways of achieving this execution. In this course, we will use a variety of methods. This section highlights a few which can be used in situations where commands can be executed as root. The root bash SUID. One of my favorite ways to spawn a root shell is to create a copy of the /bin/bash executable file. I usually rename it root bash. Make sure it's owned by the root user and has the SUID bit set. A root shell can then be spawned by simply executing the root bash file with the -p command line option. The benefit of this method is it is persistent. Once you run the exploit, root bash can be used multiple times. Custom executables. There are many instances where some root process executes another process which you can control. In these cases, the following C code, once compiled, will spawn a bash shell running as root. You can compile this code using the command shown. MSF Venom. Alternatively, if a reverse shell is preferred, MSF Venom can be used to generate an executable .elf file. This reverse shell can be caught using Netcat or Metasploit's own multi/handler module. Native reverse shells. There are multiple ways to spawn reverse shells natively on many Linux distributions. A good tool for suggesting this is the RSG tool, or Reverse Shell Generator. All of these can be caught using a simple Netcat listener.